कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा, right? When you study half an hour, that half an hour you must get something, right, in your progress report card. And if you have another hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, how many hour you give, then you will only get a good marks. Is it? In your progress report card also, marks you will get 100 to 100, 100 maybe full mark, or 99, 98. At least you will score that marks only, right? Similar to sport also. If you give so much, training, so much hard work, how much you will able to give, then only you will achieve something. But everybody is very special. Everybody is special. God made us are special. Human are very special. Everyone is very special. I am also special. Today I just want to say, God is so kind. God is so kind for me especially. I should say, please don't mind. आप लोग बुरा मत मान लो. God is so kind for everyone. And for me is, God is so kind. मेरे लिए डबल. आप लोग के लिए 2 होगा तो मेरे लिए 3. किस लिए? कभी मेरे को विश्वास नहीं किया. I never believe, I never notice in my life. कभी नोटिस भी नहीं किया. लेकिन मैं कैसे नोटिस किया, लोग मेरे ऊपर से इतना बुरा बोलेगा, इतना बुरा, whatever negative thing is, spread in social media. Before there is no social media at all, है ना? कभी पहले तो सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, लेकिन सोसाइटी में और नेबर में, फ्रेंड सर्कल में पता चलता है. अभी तो सोशल मीडिया, आज क्या बोल दिया देखो, सारे फैल जाएगा. और कोई अच्छा बोलने वाला भी होगा, बुरा बोलने वाला भी होगा. कैसे करना है, कैसे जज करना है, मुझे पता नहीं. कभी कभी आई एम सो कंफ्यूज, सो stress. Maybe now again when I just come in my mouth that stress, when I talk about this stress, yes, must be you will get some stress. But even this day, such a long period, everyone is suffering for the COVID, right? कोविड में सारे जैसे बर्बाद हो गया, जिंदगी खत्म हो गया जैसे लग रहा है, राइट? ऐसे लगा है क्या नहीं? What do you think? You could not able to go out, you could not able to meet your friend, your relative, parents, whatever, whoever. Not like the normal life we are living, है ना? But no, please, if you achieve something in your life, yes, you have to forget. This should not be keep in your mind. आप ये दिमाग में नहीं रखना चाहिए. Just do something. थोड़ा दिमाग में, I know, मैं भी कभी कभी स्ट्रेस हो जाती हूँ, ज्यादा काम है, और मेरा चिल्ड्रन लोग तो इतना है, 3 लड़का संभाला, 4 बच्चा संभाला, इतना आसान नहीं है घर में और कोविड की टाइम में. लेकिन मैं कभी स्ट्रेस होने से भी आई डू समथिंग, कुछ काम कर लेता, झाड़ू मारा और सफाई किया, कुछ ना कुछ, कीप लिसनिंग और डूइंग माई वर्कआउट. ऐसे करती हूं, देन स्ट्रेस गॉन। कभी जिंदगी में स्ट्रेस फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं रखना है। प्लीज, दिस इज अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन, स्पेशली टू स्टूडेंट। माँ बाप इतना आप लोग प्यार किया है ना, उतना ही माँ बाप लोग ने आप लोग को इतना प्यार किया है। ठीक है, तो कुछ भी नुकसान खुद मत करो। नेवर नेवर थिंक दिस, इट्स नॉट गुड। मैं बता रही हूं, जस्ट ट्राई व्हाट आई सेड। जब कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग में इधर उधर हो गया, टेंशन फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो गया, कुछ ना कुछ करो, फिर भूल जाएगा, गायब। ओके, तो ऐसे बैठे रहेगा, देन यू विल थिंक, सोचते रहेगा। यू मीट योर फ्रेंड, तो यू कैन शेयर इट, देन यू डू सम फनी थिंग्स, है ना। दिस इज वन वेरी important I want to say, and of course every student you are amazing person only. You study very hard. I just want to say that even sports also, whoever took a sports, just want to say something is very important. Willpower is very important. If you must have willpower, mentally strong, hard work, struggle, dedication, determination, discipline. These are very important points. Please note it down and always keep in your mind. And what I have the most is, I am very strong here. I'm a girl and very strong here. Mentally, very important is these two are very strong. That's what after married, after having a kid, after a children also, I'm still achieve and still fighting. Yes, sometime is it's up and down. Performance, it's come up and down, and of course, next time I will try again in the next competition, next tournament. I give double hard work, double effort. When you don't, when you don't get, good mark in any subject, maybe maths or English or whatever, you give another time. Huh? Is it correct? If you don't give, another time or more time, then you will not get a good mark. This is very, very similar. Even sport also. Yes, something different is in sport. Study and sport is a little bit different. Yes, so many people are doing hard work. Same. Even today I am champion, and so many girls are not able to champion. Okay, I'm telling you, this is so many girls are also doing the same hard work, giving effort. How much they give effort, even the same I give, they are also giving. But why they are not able to achieve? Huh? Smart. But any game, sports also, here, brain, it's also needed. Boxing also, you have to brain should be sharp. Is it? If you don't have a sharp brain, I don't think. Planning, strategy, technique, skill. There are so many things in football also, right? करना कैसे करना कैरी करके सिर्फ अपना सेल्फिश होना के में तो गया gone. Teamwork is like that. Teamwork is if you are very selfish, if you want to hold ball all the time to you, no, कभी गोल नहीं मारेगा. Then boxing again is different. Like here should be very smart, sharp, hona brain, alert. Then there are so many girls are not able. This is not using brain. And they don't have that unique also. They are not unique person. We should even study also, I think. Even it is similar. Study also, some are on the top. That girl and a boy are something unique. आप नोटिस करके देख लेना कुछ न कुछ तो जरूर उसका पर्सनैलिटी अलग होगा ना must be having some different unique personalities, like, is it right? ऐसे ही है, even the sport also same. वो कैसे रखना है आप लोग के हाथ में है. It's up to you. It's up to you. So you think about and don't take pressure a lot. My flight time. इधर इसलिए ज्यादा लेक्चर दे देगा खत्म नहीं करती हूँ. Keep talking. तो इसलिए मेरा फ्लाइट की टाइम आ गया. That's why I just want to say the last is I know that you guys are brave and you guys are very hardworking, and I wish you all the very best in your endeavors. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.